Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we got a real treat for you, man. Going to take a look at a very rare factory S-Code 390 66 Mercury Cyclone GT. Killer car, guys. Neat little history behind this car. This is a car that has really led a very pampered life. I think it's got 82,000 original miles on it. Actually, this car, we actually met some folks when we posted this car. They came up and looked at this car. They owned this car quite a few years ago. It sounds like they sold it to the people that we bought it from. But original Texas car. The car's been repainted. This is the factory color combination. It's really set up like it would have come out of the factory. It is a factory polar white car. It's got, I think, most of the original black interior. Again, it is a very rare S-Code 390 4-speed car. But the car originally came out of Texas. It had one repaint, it sounds like. But this, the cosmetic restoration is older. And then it's just had a recent mechanical restoration. But very cool car. I love these things. You just don't see them. I love this front end. I think they're so cool. You pull into a car show and nobody else has got one. And like I say, this car is super cool. Good, solid, straight body. You can see most of the trim on this car is actually original. They said they think even the bumpers were original. There's a couple little blemishes. As a matter of fact, you can see that. The guy's wife, he didn't come up here to see it. His wife and his son did. He said that if he came up, they'd see a grown man cry. But she's the one that actually did that on the hood. Of course, that's a factory a Cyclone hood on the car. This car's got all your original Carlite glass in here too. Look how nice this stuff is. Like I say, this car has lived a pampered life, and I've driven it now multiple times. This car runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Shifts out good, nice and tight. Again, factory polar white car. This is the original color combination. Look how nice this car is. Again, you're going to see a couple little, blemishes, couple little touch-up marks, but man, this car has been very well maintained. There's your original dealership tag on the rear. Car came out of Texas. Nice and straight down the sides. It comes with two sets of wheels. I love these. These are, of course, brand new BF Goodrich Radial T's with the 15-inch Chrome Magnum 500s all the way around it. But it comes with a set of the factory Cyclone wheels. If you want a picture of them, just call the guys. They'll get you a photo of them. I think they're ugly, but I guess they're extremely rare. So it'll come with both sets of wheels and tires. Pretty car, man. And again, if you want something that, man, I'm telling you, turn the key, point the direction, and cruise, you will have a blast driving this car. Shifts out good, clutch is nice and tight, bottom of the car is very nice. Look how cool that car is. What cool body lines. Factory S-Code 390. I think these are 335 horse. It's got the factory top loader 4-speed in it. You can see it's got the chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner, pretty much bone stock underneath the hood here. They've upgraded. It does have the MSD box on it, but you can see original VIN is still up on your core support. Look how nice that car is. And really just, done like factory. Stock intake, exhaust manifolds. This is a killer car, man. Slick paint. And again, look how nice all that stuff is. Look how nice your A-pillar chrome is. Like I say, this car's been baby. This is a, I believe it's a remote mirror. Door handles look great. I think this interior is original too, guys. Original door tag. You can see the door seams are nice and clean. I think it's supposed to have all the original body panels. And again, I think this interior is original. Got remote mirror. Look how nice that car is. That's just a killer car. Factory bucket seat, center console. It's got the T-handle shifter in it. It functions properly. In other words, you got to lift the T-handle to get it in reverse. It's got the deluxe seat belts. That wasn't even an option in '66. Headliner looks great. Now that's new. They've upgraded that. That's got the wood wheel. All the gauges are functional, including the tach. It's got the Cyclone tach. 82,266 on this car. Blower motor work. Original AM radio worked. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. It does have new Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock 9-inch 350 traction lock rear end. Jack with spares in the trunk here. I wouldn't do anything in this car. Turn the key, take it to the car show. That kind of car. And be ready to talk to people because, man, you just don't see these things. So literally you take it down the street and put gas in it and people stop and talk to you about it. They are very rare. I don't know the production numbers on them, but you just don't see them. Look how nice that thing is underneath. I dig it, man. Very cool car. Nothing against Chevelles, but, you know, you see those. You do not see stuff like this. Again, you can pick at it a little bit, but again, I think that's original. I wouldn't touch it, wouldn't change it, wouldn't do anything to it. These might be new. I mean, these probably are. They probably, because I mean, the seats just feel too good too. But I mean, look how nice this stuff is here. Gauges are nice and clean. That's just a killer car right there. I think these are original too. I mean, somebody's pampered this car. You turn the key of fire right up too. That's, I mean, it always just a good car, man. Everything opens and closes real nice. The fit and finish is really nice on the car. Great car. Tach works, and all your gauges in here work. Parking brake works. Great sound. Very cool taillights on these things too. That is a little sweetheart right there. Factory AM radio works. Yeah, everything opens and closes real nice. Oh, got a little dust on the windshield there. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page, our new TikTok page. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That feature is also coming to our website here within the next few weeks as well. Great car, man. Look at that car. I mean, that thing is just a sweetheart, man. Have a great day, guys!